What's up, guys? CK Reviews here. So yesterday, Apple held their WWDC25 event, which is a Worldwide Developers Conference, and they unveiled new features, new AI features to existing features on their ecosystem. But the highlight yesterday was Apple's new way of naming their OSs. That is, they've changed from the iteration to naming their OS after the year they'll be released. So starting from next year, we'll be having the iOS 26, the Mac OS 26, the iPad OS 26, the Watch OS 26, and the Vision OS 26. Now, there were updates about Apple Intelligence, but not Apple Intelligence in a way of ChatGPT and Gemini, but the new features kind of had sprinkles of Apple Intelligence here and there in existing features, and new features as well also dropped. So right now we are going to be having the Apple Car Ultra and the Apple Car. Now, but I noticed one thing in that keynote yesterday. When they were unveiling the Apple Car Ultra, there was a specific brand of car that they used for the tear down and all, and it was an Aston Martin SUV. So it's most likely that deep integration of the Apple CarPlay Ultra, because the Apple CarPlay Ultra is going to enable you to be able to run deep customization in the car, like your speedometer, not just on the infotainment interface, but also on your speed interface as well. So I think Apple is going to be working with various or selected car manufacturers to bring this feature to play. And we saw releases like the new phones app on the Mac OS Tahoe 26. Yeah, the new Mac OS next year will be Mac OS Tahoe 26. So we saw Apple's new phone app that works similar to the Microsoft phone, that the phone link on Microsoft that allows you to link your phones to your PC and all, and some other features that I think were lifted from other platforms, because as we all know, Apple is not one company to be the first to try out new technologies, but they will they will come in late, and then they will kind of implement and develop and then refine theirs and give it a new name. Like we have AI for Apple is Apple Intelligence and all. So yeah, we also saw specific additions to Apple's Vision Pro, 3D additions, and some other features that will enable seamless work between the ecosystem. At the same time, we had workout body, and one particular one caught my attention: liquid glass. Now, basically, liquid glass is just like a 3D rendering of icons. Let's say icons, yes, that enables glass-like feature when you tilt your phone left and right, and some other features. And yes, the transparent icons sounds familiar, right? Yeah, because I'm very sure that some third parties app on Android, on Google Play Store, can also put that one out, like transparent icons. But like I said, Apple is not always the first to join the bandwagon. Like now we have silicon carbon batteries out, but Apple is yet to implement that and might not even implement it in the next iPhone. So, and some other technologies like that. So next year we look forward to seeing the iOS 26 and the other suite of 26 apps, and I'll keep you guys posted on any other tech review news. Peace.